Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're just going to be showing off a small example of pseudocode in action. Because we showed off all the individual pieces, such as selection, such as iteration, such as sequence, but we haven't showed them off really in action. So we're just going to be showing off how to use pseudocode as a blueprint for a larger program, and that kind of thing. Thank you very much. Thank you all very much for watching the video. I do hope you learned something. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, but especially comment and subscribe, because when you comment and tell me how you learn, it helps me make better videos for you and for myself and for anybody else, so other people learn better, but it also pushes these videos more, which is always nice because then more people learn. Thank you very much. Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be showing off flowcharts in action, because it's easier to understand the nuances and little bits and bobs about something if you see it used properly. So we're going to be playing out a simple system, a system to log into something like passwords and all that. We have flowcharts. That's about it. Show it off in action, get a better understanding, you know? Thank you very much. thank you all very much for watching the video. I do hope you learned something. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, but especially comment because I love learning how you learn, and telling me what helps you learn the best helps me make videos which help you learn more, and all that. If you need any specific videos done, say if a certain topic is misunderstood, comment it. I'll make a follow-up video. Thank you very much.